You woke up next to a stranger with your ordinary life, both too young to die alone and too old to feel alright. She was a victim of oppression, you were always in your mind, but at 4 a.m. this morning you're both feeling more alive. Close your eyes, you will see the girl that got away. Close your eyes, I will be the man you need a man to be. And the hardest part of waking up, saddest part of us, hardest part of waking up is it doesn't mean a thing. You say you're working in the morning, I don't see a goddamn thing. All these scratches on my back are a roadmap to lonely nights like these. You grab your shirt from off the dresser, it was embroidered with your name, and the last words that we said simply didn't mean a thing. Close your eyes, you will see the girl that got away. Close your eyes, I will be the man you need a man to be. And the hardest part of waking up, saddest part of us, hardest part of waking up is it doesn't mean a thing. You woke up next to a stranger with your ordinary life, both too young to die alone and too old to feel alright. She was a victim of oppression, you were always in your mind, but at 4 a.m. this morning